how to enable Facebook share button. So if you want your post to be shared by your friends or anyone, then this video might be helpful for you. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this interface or the post on Facebook. So here are two ways to enable your friends to share your post on Facebook. So let's go to the first step. For that, simply tap over the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and here you have to tap on the settings option right next to search bar at the right upper section. And in this section you have to scroll a little bit, where you'll be able to see the profile and tagging option, which is under audience and visibility. Tap over the profile, and if allow others to share your post to their story option is turned off, you just have to tap over there and you have to allow others to share your post to their stories. By doing that, also you are enabling people to share your post. And the next thing is you just have to go back to your home page and you have to tap on your profile at the left upper corner. And in this section you have to scroll to the button and you have to reach out to the post which you want to be shared. And once you are here, you have to tap on the 3-dotted horizontal line at the right upper section of the post and simply go for the edit privacy. And if the privacy is for friends, you just have to tap over the public and you have to set it to public. By doing that, your friends or anyone on Facebook will be able to share your post on Facebook. So this is how you enable share button on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.